Hi, if you're looking for something very affordable townhouse in West Palm Beach, this is your chance to get a 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom townhouse in West Palm for around $370,000. And this unit inside. There are a couple of them for sale, so they start like for $350 and they can go all the way to $400. So as you enter this townhouse, you have this foyer slash, I don't know what's gonna be, what you can do here, I don't even know, but you can figure it out. So this is the entrance, and on this side there is a one-car garage without the attic, but you see there is a storage, and water heater is right there. It's a townhouse which was built recently in 2020, so it's almost brand new construction, 2-story. This is half bath, convenient on the first floor. So 3-bedroom, 3 bathrooms. This is gonna be your little outside area where you can put outdoor kitchen, outdoor furniture. Small but nice. So this house is 3-bedroom, 3 bathrooms, and it is, I believe 1,800 square feet. Or even more. No, yes, 1,800 square feet. Sorry, I've showed so many houses today, so don't want to mess everything. And anyway, I'm gonna put the link to the community and to particular houses that are available for sale in Arbor Parc in the description for the video. So once again, 3-bedroom, 3 bathrooms, starting from $350,000, West Palm Beach, Arbor Parc, new community built in 2020. And I still don't know how you can use this space, but you can figure it out. So now we are going to the second floor where all 3 bedrooms are located. It's carpet on the floors, and here you see laundry room, full-size washer and dryer. Master bedroom, or shall we call it main bedroom now, because I'm not allowed to say master bedroom anymore. I'm just telling you what's going on in real estate, so we have to call main bedroom, no longer master bedroom. So 2 closets, his and her closet. Hi. His and her sink. Nice walk-in shower. That area I don't need to talk about, but it's here. So his and her closet, his and her sink, his and her sink, double sink, walk-in shower. That's the main bedroom area. That guest bedroom, which has Jill and Jack bathroom. What does mean Jill and Jack is that you can enter to this bathroom area through either of 1 bedrooms, through this or the other one. It has sink, bathtub, closet. So, and here we again. So the same bathroom. Hi. this door. So this is the third bedroom. Community is very located very nicely. It's not far from the beach. It's close to the international airport. So location is awesome. Building almost brand new, 6 years old only. And the price start from 350,000. This is most likely AC built in, that they got when they bought it in 2020. The lifespan of ACs in Florida is unpredictable, quite frankly, because the older one can run and run and run, and the new one can last only maybe up to 10 years. So you never know these days. But at least you know that you don't have to worry about the roof, because the building is 2020. Most likely AC is gonna last another 5 years. So that's a big plus. Location and the amount of space here. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, 561-406-0717. I can find you that special place that you particularly need, because everyone needs something. Some people need school, some people need to live on a golf course, some need equestrian space, some need to be close to the airport. Kind of everything can be combined, except like equestrian space is definitely need to be somewhere more west of I-95, because you need to have a big acreage to have horses. The others you can easily combine, like live on the golf course and have access to boats. Anything in the Florida outdoor lifestyle you can find here in Palm Beach County, or Broward County, or Martin County, or Port St. Lucie. Whatever you need, we'll try to find and match the perfect community for you. Thank you. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.